school. Look at the first trailer to new.
Wait lang. Are you enjoying your stay in Cagayan, Asha?
Yes.
Why? Why?
I'm true, sorry.
Asha, why are you enjoying? Hmm?
I like to come here because I want to play with Daddy Megan.
Wow, what did you do while you were here? It's your last day na today.
Yeah.
What did you do?
That's me.
What did you do with Ate Megan since Thursday?
I still can't remember.
What? How about you? Can you remember?
She was waiting for me.
And then, what else? What did you do in 4 days?
What? When it was in Thursday, the one when Asha came back here when she was waiting for me. We were in the wedding and I was a flower girl and Asha was playing clays and my toys.
What did you do on David's birthday, June 5, Friday?
We played in the World of Fun. And we slept there.
Asha, what did you do on David's birthday? Asha, you tell Mommy Landa Dilu what you did in your vacation in Cagayan.
Tama! Tama!
Nakay there. Asha, Mommy Landa Dilu are listening. What did you do on your vacation in
I
Cagayan?
also didn't remember.
Nah.
What? About you tell me what you did this day. Tell me what you did this day. Oh, but before that. No, you slept with me. And do you know what Pamela and Daddy yesterday yesterday in the midnight, I just woke up and Daddy was playing Plants vs. Zombies. Oh, that was so cool.
Asha was sleeping.
Yeah, and they were still sleeping and when the time we woke up, we slept early. Hello.
Hello.
We slept early, then I woke up at midnight, then I sleep.
No, you didn't sleep early. Oh, you slept at midnight, no.
No, but
That was the other day. That was the other day. You slept early. Yeah, that was on Friday. You play na with Asha kay she's going home na this afternoon. Naka, it's school time na tomorrow. Asha, are you ready for K2?
Yes.
Are you excited for the new school
Yeah, and I
year?
got a slipper that is eye eraser.
Really?
I even give to Jaika.
So, you have a new bag for school?
Yeah, and it's Tinkerbell.
What level are you na? K2? Are you excited?
Yes! I want to color and draw.
What?
I want to color and make and trace.
You want to color and
Write and trace.
trace? You know, you know na how to read?
Hey, also want a snack?
Meg, are you excited to be level 2?
I always wish for that.
Huh?
I always wish to go to level 2.
It's gonna be first day of school tomorrow. Tomorrow, it's already the start of the new school year.
New school year.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh boy, there's a big giant. He's gonna move. Where is he gonna go?
Okay? Say goodbye.
Bye. And we're gonna eat. Yum yum. Yum yum yum.
What do you want to say to Mamila and Dadilo about starting a new school year? Nothing? Tell them what level will you be in and then...
I'll be in level 2 tomorrow. And Nacha will be in K2. And I can't wait to go back to school, and also Asha can't wait. She wishes now that her school will start now, but it's supposed to be tomorrow.
Okay. Say bye, Asha.
Bye-bye. Peekaboo.